Thank you very much. It's still Ojamo. Um, I really want to thank you people for following me, subscribing on my YouTube channel, dropping a comment, and like and share. So, without wasting much of your time, I want you to understand that Oja is a wood instrument that requires patience to learn. You need patience, you need consistency, you need hard work, you need diligence in all these things. So if all these things are not found in you, please, you are making a lot of mistake. So for others that say that I should always speak Igbo, fine. People that doesn't know how to speak Igbo are also with me. So please, do with me as I um, explore in English language and Igbo language as well. So thank you. And another thing, this video I'm going to make, I have had so many of the video, but people do complain about a lot of things. So I want to give an advance recap of it in few minutes. So this is it. Now, first of all, we are going to focus on how to hold the cultural flute, hold oja, how to hold oja very well. So now I'm not just going to show how to hold oja, but I'm going to show the systematic way of holding oja. So now this is it. We already know how to hold oja, but now this is the systematic way of holding it, the way that makes it so perfect for you. Now this is it. So you make sure that your hand, you grab it here, you grab it here, you grab it here. When you grab it here, so if you see now, this thing here is holding it, it can't go up, you understand, it's holding it. Now you make sure this hand is covering the down one, then you make it like this. So but now in the process of turning it, you see that it was like this, and then it's now turning towards this way. Then you make sure that this thing is holding. So hold it strong, hold it strong, hold it strong. Are you getting me? You hold it strong. Then you use this hand and this and place it. And make sure, so many of you are in the haste of doing. No, that is not the way. First of all, try to know how to hold it. Matakoto kesi Georgia first. Mofogodi Ibu sound. Mbem na moja. He's so like he's also me. I made good remember for 1 week. I keep doing it. You understand? So this is the first steps. So hold on, Javero. Are we gonna? No, that way you will not learn it. I think I tried some of those things back then, but all the go work. So him na chiko again. Mutake seji Georgia. First. Mofugodi migebu sound miga hebu sound, and anyone he miss give me a CG jaka enwere he ngenye gi enwere assignment ngenye gi assignment review regi mistake imre. You understand? If the foundation is destroyed, what can a just man do? So what I'm trying to say is this: Mutake Sheji Georgia very well. I have showed it. I've showed it. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. Very simple. Very simple. Then give nka aka kwesịrị ịraga ahụ, aka kwesịrị onye moja aka ga-araga ahụ. Everybody no ga-emegode gịnị? Everybody ga-afụgode gị fụ first. Everybody no ga-afụ gị fụ aka arakpa gị ahụ. Then ihe ndị racha gị ahụ. Then even see enwere mgbe m ga-egbu ọja na-egbu ọja. Gị hụ aka m like this ye shikpọrọ ya gịnị gbozipu and eme m na the hand because I'm still long. Many of us, we don't rehearse, we don't want to get it right, and we want to quickly blow like someone else. Please, try to get it right. Try to get it right. Then, give us what is it right? It is all again. You know, first of all, give us this one. So on this tutorial again now, we have talked about how to hold the oja. Now we are going to talk how to make a notable sound. If you skip the video because you don't know how to, you have already know how to, what they call it, hold the oja. Then, if you have reached this level, you are a good student. If you have reached this level now, you are a good student. So don't forget to like and share. So now in this one, we are going to talk about how to make a notable sound, how to make a meaningful sound, how to make a sound that is audible, how to make a sound that is good, a sound you can hear and say, ah, on your watch, abuana mano. So these are the things we are looking for. Now, first of all, to make a good sound, first of all, you always learn all the notes. You always learn all the notes. Touch down the notes. You can see the whole note or maybe the whole opening. This is one. This is one. This is one. This is two. This is three. This is four. This is five. This is six. Okay. Now, then you will not know. Now this is do re mi. Now try and do it. Do re mi. Do re mi. Do re mi la. Metie la. Now give me a small. You get a way that sound of them. Combinations of notes. Combine them three. You see I combine three. I me do and re butoyala. This is real. So now, another one we are going to talk about is tipping. You need to know how to blow oja. And there are four oja. But then when in a situation where you have to blow, but there is in a situation where you have to tip. But here and there, he question, one day, guess you got sword on you even you get faint, you boajo on a buhenaya. Releasing air in that way. So the only way you can release air very audibly and good and sound is by like this. Not no, you got sword on Allah. Joke, okay, now just imagine and no, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It can't work. So now, but there is in a situation where that I seize my breath. I release it. So why I'm blowing is because of you to also learn from my own sound and learn from my ways. So please. And another thing, we're having a master class that is upcoming. If you're interested in the master class, drop a comment that I am interested. Just write it, I am interested. We will give you procedures how the master class will go. Someone will comment on this in the comment section for how the master class is going to be. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel at Ojammo. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. I still remain Ojammo. Onya neburu oja na mo ni gbe na mado. Me na demo